I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So here I am today with another video with another problem solving of our SQL 45 days lead code challenge. Okay, so in case if you haven't watched any of my previous video, I'll provide you the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the update from this particular series. Make sure you are consistent throughout the whole series and solving all the 45 questions so that you don't miss any of the concept that will help you building the foundation of your MySQL skills. Okay, so without any wasting any time, we'll just dive into the video. And for our today's question, we are going to pick the question number 1873. Okay, so it is also of a difficulty easy level. So we are going to just go over on this and let's get started with this problem for this video over here. Okay, so let's just wait so that our question is being there. It's due to some network issues. Yeah, so our today's question is 1873 calculating special bonus over here. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look at what the question is and understand what we want to achieve through this. So we have a table which is named as employees over here. Okay, it has particular columns which is named as employee ID, name, and the salary over here. Employee ID is in a data type int over here. The name is in varchar and the salary is in int. Okay, so employee ID is nothing but the primary key over here. So the column here has unique values, so we don't have any duplicates in the table according to this. Okay, now each row here indicates the employee ID, the employee name, and the employee salary. Okay, so this is all mentioned in this particular table. Now what we have to do is we have to find a solution. Okay, to calculate the bonus of each employee. Okay, so we have the employee ID, name, and salary, and we have to calculate the bonus of each of the employee. Now what is the bonus over here? Now the bonus of an employee is 100% of their salary. Okay, so bonus is 100% of the salary, but there is a condition over here. There is a particular condition that if the ID of the employee is an odd number. Okay, first condition is the employee ID should be an odd number. Now what is the second condition? That the employee name does not start with the character M. Okay, so we have to check this two condition, that the employee ID should be odd number and the employee's name should not start with the character M. Okay. Now the bonus of the employee is 0 if it doesn't satisfy any of the condition that is present above. Okay. So the employee would get a bonus of 0. Now we have to return the result table which is ordered by employee ID. We just have to use the order by for this. We can just have a look at the input output sample over here and we'll have a better clear understanding for the output that we have to achieve. So we have this employees table, we have employee ID that is unique, that is 23789 mentioned over here. We have some particular names against their employee ID as well as the salary over here. Now what is the employee ID and the bonus? Okay, the bonus here is nothing but the condition that we have to fulfill for this. Okay, so we are going to take our table named as bonus and we are going to check the condition that the employee ID is a odd number and does not start with the character M. Okay, so first one criteria fails, it's not an odd number. Second, we have the odd number but the name starts with the character M. Okay, so the 2 and 3 are getting the bonus as 0 because one of the condition is failing over here. Moving to next, 7 is again our odd number and it does not start with the M. Okay, so it starts with A. So we are getting 100%, that is this salary as the bonus over here, 100%. Okay, next we are having 8 as an even number. So our bonus is 0 for the same. And for 9, we are having uh, both the conditions true because the name also does not start with M. So we also get the 100% salary as bonus over here. So this is what we have to achieve. So pause the video and try that what approach should we using for this and pause the video and answer down the approach you think in the comment section below, and we'll just check that that approach works for you or not over here. Okay, so this will enhance your problem solving skills by your own. Okay, you would develop the approach, thinking of the approach towards a particular problem. Okay, so I'll just now start with the solution. We are going to use case when over here. Okay, case when over here. Now, why we are using this case? Case is been used when you have to have some conditional expression, conditional statements you need to perform into your query. Okay, so once we'll just start solving the problem, you'll understand that what is the use of that over here. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to select what are we expecting in the output is nothing but the employee ID. Do we have the employee ID in our employees table? Yes, we have the employee ID named as employee ID itself. So we don't have to change anything over here. We'll just mention the employee ID from this. And what are we going to do is we have to calculate the bonus. But we have certain criteria, that is, we have to satisfy these two conditions, else we have to give one more condition that we have to add the bonus as this. Okay, so for this, we are going to use the case when statement. Okay, so now how does it work? We will take the first case over here. Okay, so what does this case we have to mention is that when, okay, when my employee ID, okay, what is our first condition is that the number should be odd. Okay, so my employee ID mod of 2, that is nothing but is it divisible by 2? Okay, then it is an even number, else it is an odd number. Okay, so we don't have to check that is even, we have to check that it is odd. Okay, so if we get the remainder from this modulus as 1, okay, so we have one particular ID, let's say 7. 7 divided by 2, does it give a 0? No. Okay, so it provides us with this remainder as 1. So it is an odd number. Okay, so we have checked this condition for this odd number. Also, along with that, we have to check that our name does not start with the character M. Now, how do we figure out that? Okay, so for figuring out this, what are we going to do is we are going to apply a left condition over here, into which we are going to give name. Okay, and this one over here is not equals to, we have to check that it is not equal to M over here. Okay, now what does this mean over here? Now this condition checks if the first letter of the employee's name is not M. Okay, so the left function over here, what does this function do is it extracts a specified number of characters from the left of the string. Okay, so it starts from the left of the string over here. Okay, and starting from the left, it starts extracting just the first character. Okay, because we have mentioned only one over here, so it will just start from the left and go until one character only, because we have mentioned to check only one. So we have to check that this first character is not equals to the character that are mentioned over here, that is M. Okay, but this condition is not being satisfied, correct? So here we have to check that this condition and also this condition, both of the condition are met. If both of the condition are met, then what we'll do is then we'll just give the salary. Okay, whatever salary we have, we'll give the salary as the bonus 100%, as we have mentioned over here. 100% of the salary, that is this whole salary, is placed into this bonus over here for that particular employee. Okay, now what if this condition is not satisfied? Then what we have to do is we have to give a bonus as 0. Okay, so if this condition is not satisfied, we are going to give the bonus as 0. Okay, and we have to end as what we have the table name. Okay, bonus. Okay, so we are going to end the table name over here for this particular condition as bonus. So we have to mention it over here. Okay. So I hope you have understood that we have used this case when we have this particular condition as true. Okay, when this particular condition is true, then we have to take the salary and add it into the bonus. If not, okay, if any of the condition fails from both of them, we have to add 0 over here and we just have to end the table name as bonus over here for this particular column. Correct. So from where are we going to extract all the data is nothing but our employees table over here that is present. Okay. And we'll just order by because we mentioned that we have to order by employee ID. So by default, it is going to take the ascending order. So we are going to take this over here. Okay. So I hope so this code is working perfectly fine. We'll just run our code and just check the results for the same. And we have a runtime error. Okay, we have to check. We have made a mistake somewhere. Okay, so we have used double equal to over here. We have to just use this and check. Okay, so it was my mistake. I hope so this works now. Yeah, so our test case has been accepted and we got the same output that we had achieved over here, and we had this understanding of the same explanation has been provided over here. In case if you are still not able to understand, you can drop your questions or doubts in the comment section below. And I'll just submit also for once to evaluate all the hidden test cases present for this particular description. So yes, our test cases also have been accepted over here for this particular description. So this was all about today's video. I hope so you have understood the concept that we have used over here. And if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with all your friends and colleagues too. I'll see you guys in another video tomorrow with another problem solving skill. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.